Welcome to Bad Wrench Automotive. Okay, in this video, we're going to relearn this throttle body. This is important steps to know if you guys are cleaning or replacing the throttle body on your Nissan Pathfinder that has the 4.0 engine. This one's an 06. Let's go ahead and get into the vehicle and I'll show you guys how to do this. You don't need to do anything else under the hood once you've either cleaned or replaced the throttle body. Make sure that all connections are connected before you begin this process. If the throttle body isn't hooked or there's other sensors, this may not work. All right, so once you're in, the first thing you're going to do is start the vehicle and get it up to operating temperature. It needs to be at full operating temperature before beginning this procedure. It will not learn the throttle body if you do not have that condition met. Also make sure that it has enough voltage in the battery. If the battery voltage is low, it will not learn the system. And when I did this, I already put a new alternator in it and a new battery, so I knew I had proper voltage. Let's go ahead and go over the process. So once you're at operating temp, you're going to turn the vehicle back off completely. Then you're going to go to where all these light up. You're going to count for 2 seconds. Then you're going to turn this off to here where the radio stays on for 5 seconds. You'll need to do that process twice. Now that you've done that process, now you have to do the next step. There's 3 stages to this. This was the first stage. On the second stage, you're going to turn the ignition back on. Then turn it back off. And you're going to listen for 10 seconds and your throttle body should move. You should hear the actuator underneath the hood. You need to turn this off for at least 10 seconds. It doesn't matter how long you leave it on, but you do have to turn it off for 10 seconds and let it do its thing. Again, you have to have vehicle warm and a full charge to make this work. Now that that process is done, you heard the throttle body move, you're good to go for the stage 3 of this process. Stage 3 is going to be actually moving the throttle down below. So what you're going to do is go back to the on position. You're going to see that the check engine light's on. You're going to wait for 7 seconds. Once the 7 seconds are up, you're going to press the throttle pedal down 5 times. That light will begin to blink. And then once the light goes out, you press the throttle pedal all the way to the floor. Once you press it all the way to the floor, you hold it, wait 5 seconds, let up, and then you can turn your key back off. You will then start the vehicle. And in that process of starting the vehicle, you're going to give it a few revs. Now I'm doing this when it's cold, so this doesn't count. If you do this process when it's cold, it won't learn it. So when you guys saw the light flashing there, that was the cue to press the pedal 5 times. Once I pressed the pedal 5 times, the light would have went out. Then I have to do a full throttle press before I turn the key off. Once I do that and hold that for 5 seconds, turn that key off, step 3 is completed. I then have to start the vehicle, let it run, give it a few revs, make sure the idle comes down. Make sure all conditions are met. Like I said, this one is a little complicated, but anyone can do it if you guys follow step by step. You may have to watch back and get each step as I told you and kind of go over each one. But you do need to do these back to back to back. You cannot do one, drive it for a while, do another one. You literally have to do each part of these steps to learn this throttle body. Guys, I want to say thank you for all your support. Continue hitting the like button, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you get notified when I drop new videos, and I'll see you on the next one.